Changing your primary admin on UKG is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into UKG. Access your UKG account by entering your username and password. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to change the primary admin. Step 2. Navigate to admin settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select current admin. In the admin settings, find the section that lists the current primary admin. Click on the name or the edit option next to it to begin the process of changing the admin. Step 4. Enter new admin details. Input the details of the new primary admin, including their username or email address. Ensure that this individual has the appropriate permissions and is aware of their new responsibilities. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new admin's information, click the Save or Update button to finalize the change. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the primary admin has been successfully updated. Once you have completed these steps, the new primary admin will have full access and control over the UKG account. Always ensure that the transition is communicated clearly to all relevant team members.